Devotees, let us chant the 26th Pasuram in Tirupavai during Dhanurmasam. Male Manivanna Margalini Raduvan Melajar Shevanagal Vendavana Kettiyel Jnanathayellam Nadungamularvana Palanna Vannatun Panchashanniyame போல்வன சங்கங்கள் போய்ப்பாடுடையனவே சாலப் பெரும் பறையே பல்லாண்டிசைப்பாரே கோல விளக்கே கூடிய விதானமே ஆலிநிலையாய் அருளேலோரெம்பாவாய் ஆண்டாள் திருவடிகளே சரணம். Devotees, let us now understand the meaning of the 26th Pasuram. This Tirupavai Pasuram shows how the devotees lovingly seek to Lord Vishnu and express what they truly seek. They praise him as Manivanna, whose divine form shines like a blue sapphire and who is filled with grace and noble deeds. The girls explain that for their holy Margali bath and worship, they do not ask for worldly wealth, but only for the items needed to serve and glorify the Lord. They pray for Kancha, like is Panchajanya, big drums, music, lamp, flags, and tents which reflects joyful and complete worship. All these requirements shows that their devotion in pure and selfless service to the Lord without any desire for personal gain. By remembering him as a Lord who slept on banyan leaf during the great flood, they honor him as a supreme protector of the entire universe. This Pasuram teaches us that true prayers is to seek only the opportunity to serve the God with love, humility, and surrender. Devotees, one of the special and most important day this Sunday, January 11th, is going to be 27th Pasuram, Kudarai Vellum. So, please join us. Morning we are celebrating Kudarai Vellum and evening we are doing Goda Tirukalyana Mahotsavam. Very important day. The whole essence of the Margali Masam is going to be on Sunday, January 11th. May God bless you all. See you all soon. Namaste.